this video, we're going to do something we call factoring completely. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to factor it by what we call the greatest common factor, or the GCF. I'm going to look at what these two terms have in common before I do anything else. So we ask ourselves, what do these terms have in common? I notice that they both are divisible by 3, and they both have a p to the second. So I'm going to put the 3p to the second in front. And then I'm going to take what's inside the I'm going to take the terms and divide by that 3p to the second. So I got going to divide my 75p to the second by the 3p to the second. And let's simplify now inside of my parentheses. So the 3p to the fourth divided by 3p to the second would give me p to the second. And then 75p to the second divided by 3p to the second would give me 25. Okay. So now we have this 3p to the second out front, and then I want you to look at what we have on the inside of our parentheses. We have p to the second and 25. Those are both perfect squares. And the way we factor that is into two parentheses. We take the square roots. So square root of p to the second would just be a p and a p. The square root of 25 would be just a 5 and a 5. And then one of these parentheses gets a plus and one of them gets a minus. And that's how our difference of two squares factors. But I don't want you to miss that 3p to the second out front. They have to have that out there as part of our GCF.